The Deosai National Park is one of the highest plateaus in the world, with an average elevation of around 4,114 meters (13,497 feet) above sea level. It is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, including the Himalayan brown bear, which is a protected species in the park. It seems like you are referring to the Deosai National Park in Pakistan. Deosai is a high-altitude plateau located in the northern areas of Pakistan, mainly in the Gilgit Baltistan region. It is known for its stunning natural beauty, diverse wildlife, and unique ecosystem. If you are planning a trip to Deosai, make sure to check the weather conditions and prepare for the high altitude. It is advisable to visit during the summer months when the park is usually open to visitors. Additionally, it's essential to respect the park's rules and regulations to help preserve this beautiful natural habitat for future generations. Siosar Lake. Located in the Deosai National Park in Gilgit Baltistan, Pakistan, is one of the highest lakes in the world. Here is some detailed information about Siosar Lake location. Deosai National Park, Gilgit Baltistan, Pakistan. Siosar Lake, with its serene and untouched beauty, is a prime destination for nature lovers, adventure seekers, and those looking to experience the tranquil beauty of Pakistan's mountainous regions. Flora and fauna. Deosai National Park, where Siosar Lake is located, is rich in biodiversity. You can find a variety of plant species and animals, including the Himalayan brown bear, red fox, golden marmot, and a wide range of bird species. Seasonal beauty. The area is covered with wildflowers in the summer, making it a picturesque and vibrant scene. In contrast, the lake and surrounding plains are often covered with snow during the winter months. Camping. There are camping sites available for those who wish to experience the natural beauty of the area overnight. The lake is often associated with various local legends and folklore, adding a mystical element to its allure. Surroundings. The lake is surrounded by snow-capped peaks and lush green plains during the summer season. Is about 2.3 kilometers (1.4 miles) in length and 1.8 kilometers (1.1 miles) in width. Water clarity. Known for its crystal clear water, offering stunning reflections of the surrounding mountains. Photography. The stunning scenery makes Siosar Lake a popular spot for photographers. Name. Meaning. The name Siosar means blind lake in the local language. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Siosar Lake is from June to September, when the weather is relatively mild and the roads are accessible. Siosar Lake, with its serene and untouched beauty, is a prime destination for nature lovers, adventure seekers, and those looking to experience the tranquil beauty of Pakistan's mountainous regions.